Okay, guys, it's still Monday. I'm on the bike trail. I'm at the trailhead here, and we're gonna do this trail. So Cole is in the truck. I was gonna leave him at home, but he refused to get out of the truck. So he's still in there. He's cool. It's still cool out here, so it's not gonna be too hot in there. So anyway, I'm on the trail. Bike's been performing good on this trail. I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole length of it today because feeling good. Feeling like I can pull it off. Not feeling that good though. I'm not gonna do that damn feature. But anyway, I guess I'll talk about a video that I watched earlier today. A guy called Interest, or whatever. I watched his channel, and he was on the channel. I don't know if he was serious or not. He was on there crying, talking about how there was a squirrel, about how he's tired of being lustful, lusting after these damn girls and everything, and watching porn and all this stuff. So, I sent him a message back, a reply, whatever, telling him to chill out, relax. I don't think he's suicidal or nothing. Just trying to get attention, probably. I thought I'd give him a little advice, whatever. And other people out there might need to hear this advice too. So, a lot of guys out here watch porn. I watch it myself from time to time. If I have trouble sleeping, it knocks me right out. But I'm not addicted to it. Some people are addicted to it, but not me. And if you're not addicted to it, it doesn't keep you from going to work, keep you from living your life, doing stuff, going out, riding your bike, walking, whatever. If that's all you do, then you got a problem. But it's a sometimes thing. It'll keep you out of trouble. Because watching porn, you ain't gonna get nobody pregnant. You ain't gonna catch no disease. You ain't gonna have no emotional attachment to the wrong person. A lot of little things run around. So, anyway, it keeps you out of these streets, whatever. Gives you a little more clarity when it comes to women. You're not a dog running around like a damn Tasmanian devil, or somebody that's been locked up for 20 years chasing after women. You got a little control, self-control. These people that are on this, no fap crap, that's what I call it. Okay, now crossing over to the main trail now. Well, not the main trail. I was always on the main trail. But the, whatchamacallit trail. Well, the extension. It's not really an extension. Oh, there's a deer. They're out. It's about 5:30, maybe 6 o'clock. This is about the time that they start coming out. So, here we go. bed. That used to be so damn scary. Scary that time too. But light works nice. Everything worked out for me. I was in the wrong gear. So, got a duck walk. It's okay though. I'll do the duck walk all the way until I get to the top here. That put the fear back in me again. That was scary. I was able to restrain though from using the brakes. I was able to refrain. Even though I was tempted to, I didn't. I just came on down. I held on for dear life. Let me see, can I do a little better there? But yeah. Lost my train of thought now. Heart's beating. That was intense. I'm scared all over again. Like I said, it's been a long time since I've come down this trail here. I'm just starting to remember how scary this stuff is. I needed those brakes on that one. Didn't make it up in the wrong gear. Got a duck walk again. When you're coming down those hills fast, and then you come around corners at the same time, that's when you can lose your footing or your grip and end up falling. You know? This is like the first couple of times I came this way. It's scary. Brakes are working beautifully. Beautifully, guys. Brakes are working beautifully. Tires are doing good. Still got good tires. Some of this stuff is kind of loose, but it's still doable. Whew. Very doable. But here I go. Oh my God, wrong gear again. I don't know if I've done that before. I'm gonna try this way this time. Just gonna try it. Nope, I've never done this before. because I would have remembered running over that damn log. I definitely remember that. People have done it though. I see the evidence of it. People have definitely done it. But I got a duck walk across it. I remember this turn right here though. Start trying something different. We need to get that log out of there though. This is supposed to be a beginner's trail. Wrong gear again. A little weak in the leg there. I almost fell just from the weight of myself on that wheel. On the ground there. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Back at it again. Got a little hip pain going on. Anyway, here we go. Almost hit that tree. Came a little wide. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. Oh boy. I'm out of bike riding shape, guys. I would have thought I'd have been in better shape, better equipped to handle this after all the jumping on and off that truck I've been doing the work. But that doesn't translate to bike riding very well. You know, jumping on and off the truck and pumping a bike are different things. Brakes are beautiful. Brakes work beautiful. Not much pressure, and they get me out of trouble. Oh, here we go again. Still in the wrong gear. Just got to build my legs back up. That's all. Still in the wrong gear. Okay. Deep here. Nice. Nice, real nice. Made it. I was in the right gear that time, but that was really steep. Take it easy. Keep 2 fingers on the brake, just in case. And 2 fingers is enough, guys. 2 fingers is definitely enough. even for a beginner, even though I've done this a few times, I find this challenging in some spots, scary in other spots, and downright terrifying in other spots, but manageable, doable. And I think when I skilled up, I'm able to handle it. Because you take something too fast, it's going to end disastrous. You're in the wrong gear, you ain't going to make it. But take your time, read the trail correctly, and adjust accordingly. Be all right. How am I doing that there? Another thing running across the damn trail. A lot of chipmunks and little animals scurrying across the trail. Saw a deer earlier. One day a snapping turtle was crossing the trail. I left him alone. But there's wildlife out here. There's definitely wildlife. I could have done that. I've done it before. I'm just not in the mood today. Not doing that. But anyway, enjoying my ride. Like I was saying, life is a little challenging nowadays, simply because of all the job situation, the economy, all that stuff going on. I'm not gonna say don't worry about it. Keep your head up, whatever. I'm not gonna feed you none of that bullshit. It's rough. I'm fortunate that I made the right choices, and I'm getting the benefits of it. I didn't get caught up in the craziness in the 80s and 90s of keeping up with the Joneses or whatever. So I'm comfortable now, but not everybody has that luxury and comfort. Not everybody. Matter of fact, a lot of people are in bad shape. I feel for you. Some people, not even their fault. Just circumstances. Things will get better. How long it'll take, I don't know. But I do believe things are going to get worse before they get better. And things may get a whole lot worse. We may be living in the last days, guys. I truly believe that the powers that be, people high above, if they're not planning for something, a collapse or calamity, and coming up with some virus to kill off a bunch of people because they don't want to pay Social Security or whatever, something's going to happen. And they know it's going to happen, but they're not telling us. Some catastrophic event, some earthquake, some flood, some meteorite strike, EMP, electromagnetic pulse, sun's flare, whatever. Something's coming, guys. Something's got to be coming. For them to let things be as screwed up as they are and not seem to care. There's no future planning going on. Everything they're doing seems to be like they've got a plan to destroy our future. Maybe they don't think we have a future. Somebody walking. Whatever happens, you can't be ready for it. All you can do is prepare as much as you can. Things are just screwed up. This is really scary. And I aced it. There's another scary spot right here. Didn't make it. Wrong gear. I was in the right gear. I just didn't keep my momentum going. So, thank you, Christ. I'm really tired, guys. I'm about ready to tap out. This leg is killing me. I put weight on it. I'm getting pain at the hip joint. I think this goes back this way. Take a shortcut. See if I can hit that main trail. Go back to the truck. Let's see. It's an enjoyable ride. I ain't gonna lie, guys. It was scary. Really scary. Change gears. That's a little better. Put my weight on some. On the main trail. The bell's not here. I'm not sure where. Let me get my bearings. Yeah, this is the way to go. Normally I would go around across there, keep on going. I'm tired. A little fatigue setting in. Wrists are starting to hurt. I thought these hand grips would help me out, but they don't. Not as much as I thought they would. They're better than the other ones, but it's not as much as I thought they would be. But I appreciate it. But yeah. Oops. There we go. That's the right gear for this. I'm trying to get back. Not necessarily in a hurry, but get back. Yeah, I'm glad you opened the gate up. You know, we had to come from the other end. I still think I'm gonna get Cole and bring him out. Went to the park, the other park earlier today, where the boat ramp was, and I let Cole walk around a little bit. I forgot his collar. But I got his collar today. So, hey little buddy. You walking in with a leash. Little tiny dog. I'd be scared to walk a little dog like that off leash. I'd be afraid an eagle or something might swoop in and grab him, take him away. Or a coyote might run through, snatch him up, and keep on going. But I don't worry about that too much with Cole. Cole can take care of himself. It's nice. I know I'm going in the right direction. Even though it doesn't feel like it, I know I am because I got the sun to my left side. I got the sun's on my left. I know that's west. And I'm headed this way, so if that's west, I know I'm headed north. And north is where the truck is. So